Radharani is known as Gandharvika. Gandharvika means she's like a Gandharva. Actually, she never learned the art of singing or dancing from anyone. She is a self-manifested reservoir and repository of all the most perfect arts of singing and dancing. The Gandharvas and of the heavenly realm, they have simply picked up a few of the arts of dancing and singing from Radharani. They've bootlegged a few CDs of hers. They've stolen a few of her MP3s and learned some dancing and singing, home studies. But actually she didn't learn from anyone. She didn't study under anyone. So that's one meaning of Gandharvika. Sings and dances like the supreme Gandharva. But another meaning, Gandha means fragrance, aroma, sorab. Sorab means aroma, fragrance, smell. And it's told that Radharani, because earth has the quality of Gandha, has the quality of fragrance. This is the speciality of earth. Fire doesn't smell. Water doesn't smell. Air doesn't smell. It carries smell. But earth itself has fragrance and gives fragrance to other things. Flowers and plants, etc. So it's told that the origin of like Krishna himself, it's interesting because Krishna says in Gita, Gandhasmi, he said, I am the fragrance. Krishna says in Gita, I am the fragrance of the earth. Because there, it's the Vibhuti Yoga chapter, and Krishna is explaining basically how he's the essence of everything. Anything great, anything powerful, anything wonderful, that's Krishna. So earth, the unique quality of earth is fragrance. So Krishna says, that's me. That fragrance is me. And every time we smell a beautiful flower, and we say, oh, this is Krishna. This beautiful fragrance is Krishna. But fragrance is a Shakti. Fragrance is an energy, a potency. And Radharani is the source of all potencies. Sarva Shakti Mayi. So therefore, Krishna says, I am the fragrance of the earth. But the next question is, well, where does that fragrance come from? You may be that fragrance. You may claim it to be yours, or you may be that fragrance. But where does it come from? It comes from Radharani. That's why she's called Gandharvika, because she's the origin of all fragrance.